Well, 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 what? Don't play with me, boy. What happened to the food Lance sent to me? What you mean, what happened? It's right there. What's the problem? Oh, you don't see a damn problem? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I know damn well Lance didn't send that plate over here like that. I know he didn't. Um, well, I don't know what to tell you. I drove over here. Maybe evaporated or something. Let me think about it. I can see your thoughts. I'm gonna kill your ass.